This is the strongest mosquito repellent, and you can make it in just 2 minutes. Here's a simple and effective way to get rid of them for good. You only need 3 ingredients, and you probably already have them at home. First, grab a bowl or a pitcher. Pour in 200 milliliters, about 3/4 cup, of apple cider vinegar, and then 200 milliliters of water. Now add a few sprigs of lavender. If you don't have fresh lavender, lavender essential oil works too. The scent repels flies, mosquitoes, and ticks. Mix everything well. Let the mixture sit for a few hours so the ingredients blend fully. Then strain it through a sieve and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it around window frames in your home. If you have a balcony door, spray that too. For even better results, mist your curtains or drapes as well. I guarantee, this summer you can forget all about buzzing insects flying around your ears. Don't throw away your egg carton. Thanks to it, you won't see mosquitoes anymore. I'll show you how to get rid of mosquitoes for good. You don't need to buy expensive products. This will repel mosquitoes effectively without spending a single dollar. First, get an empty egg carton. Cut it into small pieces. It's a brilliant way to use an empty egg carton. You don't have to cut the whole thing at once. You can always cut more pieces later. Now take an empty soda can, cut off the bottom like in the video. You can use a utility knife for this. In the cut-off part of the can, make holes with a nail. A few holes are enough. In the remaining part of the can, cut out a small window. Make 3 perpendicular cuts. You can do this easily again with the utility knife. Now put the can back together. Place it on a table. Put the egg carton pieces inside. Light them. When they start to smoke, close the can. The smoke from the burning cardboard repels mosquitoes. This mini stove is easy to make and works great. Mosquitoes won't come near. They can't stand this kind of smoke. This will repel mosquitoes effectively without spending a single dollar. He pours coffee into plastic bottle caps. The result is genius. First, gather a few plastic bottle caps. They can be different types. Also, prepare some ground coffee. Pour a bit of coffee into each cap. Then grab a roll of toilet paper. Tear off a piece of paper. Roll it up tightly. And cut it into smaller pieces with scissors. Place 1 piece in the center of each cap filled with coffee. Now take a lighter or igniter and light the paper pieces you placed in the caps. The coffee will start to smolder and release smoke. This is a simple homemade method. It's not only effective but also safe for your health. You can use it both indoors and outdoors. It effectively repels mosquitoes and other insects. Instead of buying expensive products, you can make your own repellent in just a few minutes. Always keep an eye on the burning paper and coffee. If needed, you can easily extinguish the fire with water. It's a brilliant solution for summer evenings. Be sure to try this trick and enjoy a peaceful time without annoying bugs. This is how you catch all the mosquitoes in your garden and home. My grandma showed me a brilliantly simple trap that works surprisingly well. All you need is a regular bucket. Pour in about 1 quart of warm water. Then add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. As it starts to ferment, it releases carbon dioxide, which is exactly what attracts mosquitoes. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and stir until it fully dissolves. The sugar feeds the yeast and boosts the reaction. To make the trap even more effective, add a tablespoon of dish soap. This lowers the surface tension, so when mosquitoes land, they can't escape and will drown. Place the bucket inside a larger cardboard box. Don't seal it completely. Leave a small gap so insects can fly in. Set the trap outside where mosquitoes are most active. In the garden, on the patio, or near a gazebo. Ever since I started using this trick, evenings outdoors have been peaceful again. Try making one yourself and see how well it works. Sprinkle cinnamon on a paper towel. You should definitely try this. The benefits will be unlike anything you've experienced before. Here's how it works. Tear off a piece of paper towel and sprinkle a tablespoon of cinnamon on it. Cinnamon has strong antibacterial properties, repels pests, and gives off a pleasant, warm scent. The next ingredient is a bay leaf. Just 1 is enough. Bay leaves have antifungal properties, improve air quality, and effectively repel pests. Crush the leaf onto the paper. This natural method was taught to me by my aunt from the countryside. Roll the paper up just like in the video. This form is perfect for further use. Now add a little bit of toothpaste. The toothpaste has a refreshing effect, and its scent also repels pests. Place the rolled up paper in a jar or another container, light the end of it, and after a moment, extinguish the flame. Place the container near a window, door, or next to plants that are vulnerable to pests. The smoke from the mixture repels mosquitoes, flies, and other unwanted insects, while leaving a lovely, fresh scent in the house. This is a completely natural, safe, and highly effective method.
Die effektivste Methode, eine Mückenspirale zu verwenden, ohne sie anzuzünden. Es ist einfach und wirklich überraschend. Statt die Spirale anzuzünden, tauche sie unter lauwarmes Wasser, bis sie weich wird. Diese Methode steht nicht auf der Verpackung. Wenn die Spirale weich ist, zerbrich sie in kleine Stücke und gib sie in eine Schüssel. Füge etwa 100 Milliliter Spiritus hinzu. Das ist der Schlüsselbestandteil, der den Duft verstärkt und seine Wirkung verlängert. Anschließend presst du den Saft einer halben Zitrone aus und mischst ihn gründlich mit der Mischung. Die Zitrone liefert natürliche ätherische Öle und Säuren, die Insekten wirksam vertreiben. Und ihr frisches Aroma überdeckt den Geruch der Spirale. Die Zubereitung dauert weniger als 2 Minuten. Stelle die Mischung auf die Terrasse oder den Balkon und ihr Duft schützt dich zuverlässig vor Mücken. Das Beste ist, die Spirale muss nicht angezündet werden, um zu wirken. Die Wirkung ist ebenso stark und hält sogar länger an als bei der herkömmlichen Anwendung. Stell die Schüssel einfach auf den Tisch und genieße einen ruhigen Abend im Freien ohne lästige Insekten. Das ist eine clevere und bequeme Lösung für Sommerabende.
You'll never see flies and mosquitoes in your house again. If you're interested in ways to repel mosquitoes, I'll show you a simple method. You'll learn how to make your own mosquito spray. It doesn't contain any chemicals, but it has everything flies and mosquitoes hate. Just spray it on door and window frames, and no insect will come near them. Prepare a container. Pour in a cup of water. Add a tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon has properties that repel these insects. It also works very effectively on ants and gnats. Mix everything well. Cinnamon repels unwanted insects with its smell. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle using a funnel. To prevent the sprayer from clogging, strain the mixture through cheesecloth or a coffee filter. This is one of the easiest and most effective sprays for mosquitoes and flies. Mosquitoes and flies hate this scent. Just spray the frame of your front and balcony doors. Also, spray the window frames. Additionally, you can spray it on your plants. It won't harm them. On the contrary, cinnamon has many benefits for plants. It protects them from diseases, stimulates their growth, and regulates soil pH. If you spray your trash can, no flies will hover over the waste. This one spice will provide you with the best and most original spray to repel flies and mosquitoes.